Hello guys, my name is Sylvia and this video is about the creative process. So now our first step is going to be empathize. So this is to understand the problem, their perspective, and the perspective of the end user. This is to comprehend what is truly needed to get started in your design. So this process is basically requires much communication, you know, between the designer and the client. It helps to learn about what the client wants, a little of getting in their shoes and understand their feelings of what the product makes them feel. And you're pretty much creating an outline for yourself to go back to it and think about it. And that goes to our second step, which is define. So now you analyze, you interpret, and plan. The information gathered in the first step is now analyzed, interpreted, and focused on translating the needs into a defined plan or action for the solution. So now there is an outline for you to study it and come up with a plan. That's absorbing your outline, every single thing that your client said, and you just created your plan and you act on it for your solution. And now we go to the third step, which is ideate. So now you imagine, research, ponder. This is to utilize the designer's mindset to determine an innovative solution. In this step, the solution is being imagined and research is being conducted as to how to bring the solutions to life. Your mind is working on the details by creating thumbnail sketches and collecting inspiration. So basically, from the first two steps, you're bringing everything together, you're imagining what you can create. Basically, you relax, you walk around inside your house, outside, anywhere, just to bring ideas to your mind and sketching them out and pretty much, inspiring yourself. And then we go to our fourth step, which is prototype. You now apply creativity to create. So this step applies the work in the ideation stage to create something authentic, that tangible and real. During this phase, the solution is fully brought to life, all the while keeping the end user in mind. So now that you have, you know, many sketches, all your ideas put together, you bring them to life and you work with them now. You transform them, you do anything that you want with them until you come up with, what you really are looking for and plus your client is looking for. So the last step is the test. So now the prototype is reviewed by the client and feedback is gathered for adjustments to be made. So this step allows for detailed fine-tuning, testing to ensure that the work meets the needs of the client and the user. The test step produces a solution to the problem, defined in the define stage. It is revisited until the solution is perfect or exact. Return to the first step of the process and repeating each phase to produce a successful result. Okay, now, so this helps you to, now that you already showed your, design to your client, you receive more feedback and so you can be able to adjust more to it. And it helps you more to make a, more perfect of what you're looking for in your design. So you basically go back on everything, you revise it, and you go, like how it says right here, you return to the first step of the process to repeat every phase, and which helps you analyze it more. And thank you for listening to my video today.